STEM role models are powerful. They can have lasting influences in another person's life. Children can learn the language, behaviors, and attitudes of scientists and engineers by observing the adults and older peers around them. As more experienced people model the inquiry or design process, they set positive examples for younger children to imitate. In this summer school academy, the summer faculty weave STEM language into everyday conversations and experiences, modeling the practices they want the children to develop and eventually demonstrate themselves.
Raise your hand if you've seen beetles.
What are beetles?
Well, that's a great question. We're going to learn about that. Maybe we'll find some outside. And I think I went exploring yesterday, so I think I have a beetle for us to look at. That's a great question.
Yeah.
I think there's a bunny that lives at Lincoln outside, because every morning I look out the window and I see the bunny. What does it mean when animals come out at night, not during the day? Nocturnal. Nocturnal. That means the animals, they come out at night.
They live in caves.
Exactly. And that's on our
trees.
right. Do they?
And
How do they stay in the tree?
hang up because they got sharp claws and they hang upside down.
That's right. Do you think during the day, are we going to see a bat out here?
No.
No. Why not? So you get to take this home with you after we're done today, and you get to go exploring with your family at home. Does that sound like a good idea? I can't wait. I think I'm going to explore tonight. I'm always exploring, so you don't have to just be in school to explore. You can be at the playground and explore. You can be in your backyard or at your friend's house or at the pool. Daycare goes to the pool a lot. You can explore. So look what I found. Are these toys?
No.
No, what are these? These, Miss Marcotti likes to call these our learning tools.
Bug catcher.
It's a bug catcher, right? And we get to take that home. But these are our learning tools. So these are the first, I need to give you some rules before we go outside, because we're going to go outside and explore for bugs. We're going to look for bugs. Do we throw these around? Do we tap each other with them? Do we kick them? No. How do we hold them? Go ahead, Eden.
Yes.
Yeah, nicely, right? Can we be gentle? And we're gonna go collect some bugs. Go ahead, Elijah. What happened?
A caterpillar ate it
Do you think so? How do you know?
because caterpillars bite like tiny.
Right. So there's tiny holes,
It's really hungry caterpillar.
like the Very Hungry Caterpillar book we read, right? Because he was very hungry, and he ate and he ate
But at
and
the
he
one
ate.
part, he ate cake, ice cream, sausage, and cheese. I don't know what else.
Plums,
Plums,
oranges.
oranges,
Did he eat?
apples.
But do you know that good scientists, they collect things? They
And
collect things.
that's why they have things because
And they ask questions. Good scientists collect evidence. So this is some of my evidence. This shows me that there was a bug here, right? And that they were eating. So if I find something like this, I'm gonna put it in my evidence bag, and we each have one of these. And then when we come back in, we'll look for what we found. Are we ready, scientists?
Yeah.
Do you think you're prepared and ready?
We're ready for hunting.
You're ready to explore?
Yay.
Okay.
I can see some birds.
Go ahead, Nehemiah, you can go
She said
over.
there's a lot of
There's a lot of ants over there. Let's go check it out. Your turn though, okay? But what do you think these holes are from? That's interesting.
groundhogs.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
That is
Water bug.
Is that a cicada shell? Or is that a bumblebee? No, this is a cicada shell. Did you find that, Eden? Let's put it in your bag.
Is it dead?
It's just the shell.
Just
Remember the one on the leaf over there that we found? Kind of looked like a spider, but we'll have to investigate more. We'll use our books. Because we do have a spider book, don't we?
Wait, I think I found.
Let's see if we can, oh, there's one right there. Let's see.
Can you see?
Sure. You moved fast, though. So let's talk about what we found. What do you think?
T.
Let's talk about what we found.
It's crawling the lightning bug.
There he is. Your little bugs. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture of what I saw, or my favorite part. And I think one of my favorite parts...
An adult's enthusiasm for learning and adventure is contagious. Out-of-school time facilitators show children through their own actions and words what it means to act like a scientist or an engineer. These subtle day-in and day-out interactions build language and belief patterns within each and every child that they can tap into as they interact with their world.